If you have never in your life purchased a cryptocurrency before, this video is for you. And I want you to stay to the end because I'm going to mention a few that I would take a look at right now, any point before 2028. I would take a look at them because you might still have some time. Okay. Now, I want to start this off by showing you one thing or a few things. First thing I want to show you is the chart of gold. Now, the only time ever in history that the masses run towards God's money, I call gold God's money because I've never seen man create gold before, a metal, right? So I call it God's money. The only time ever in history that man dumps their dollars and said, hey, I want gold instead. Give me the gold, which is happening right now. At the time of the recording of this video, an ounce of gold, right? I'm recording this on December 29th. An ounce of gold costs $4,300. It has never been up here before. And I know you're probably wondering, what does this have to do with crypto, bro? Get to the point. I'm going to get to the point. Gold is at an all-time high. Look at the chart of silver, another piece of God's money that God put on this earth. All-time high. Has never been at this price ever before, right? Let me move myself so you guys can see. Do you see where this is trading? Do you see where this is trading at? Never has silver or gold ever been, sorry, I got to move myself again, ever been at these prices. Now, what do I think this has to do with crypto? I'm explaining that to you right now. Now, Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency that was introduced to us, to me and to you. Some of us were paying attention at the time. Me, I know I was not. I was in high school. I was too busy having fun. And guess when Bitcoin was introduced to us? Bitcoin was introduced to us right around here in this time frame, 09-ish. And take a look at what happened. What started happening to gold around that time? Started going up in value, right? Look at silver. Look at this chart of silver. Right around the time Bitcoin was introduced to us, silver went up, dipped back down, then went all the way back up again. Now I know what you're asking. Still, what does this have to do with crypto? I'm going to get there right now. Why I'm correlating this with cryptocurrency and why I think it's important for you not to be paying attention to cryptocurrency. Bitcoin and blockchain in general was introduced to us, to me and you, around 09, right? And one more thing I want to show you. Look what just happened in 2025. President Donald Trump let the world know that, one of his plans are to modernize payments to and from America's bank account. This is on the same year, by the way, right? This is one of his executive orders from March 2025, right? Modernize payments to and from America's bank account, right? Now I'm going to talk to you about this. This was on the same year, by the way, right, that regulatory framework is now being put in place for cryptocurrencies. By regulatory framework, I mean something called the Genius Act and something called the Clarity Act, right? Which are two rules. They're just basically rules for money that we have never seen before ever in our life. Never in our life have we seen someone say they want to modernize payments in the US, right? This also happens to be happening and taking place during a time where homes that are at an all-time high, student debt is at an all-time high, the cost of living is at an all-time high. Everybody is at their neck right now. It's hard to live. It's hard to breathe, right? Now, if you want to modernize payments, right? Well, actually, let me make an analogy for you that you might understand. If you want to modernize a home, let's say you want to fix up a whole home. You want to modernize it, put new walls, paint the home, put new tile floor, right? New chandeliers, new electrical. What might you have to do? First, you got to take out what's inside. You have to break everything that's in there. You don't have to break it, but you have to take all the old things out, which is what I believe is currently happening to our whole system. The money system that's being printed and inflated like crazy. More money than ever was printed in 2020. They said, man, forget them dollars. Just keep printing. The U.S. debt is at an all-time high, as is at an amount that we don't even know if they're gonna repay that. Imagine you just get mad at the bank. It's like, you know what, man? I'm just gonna spend up all these credit cards. Forget about it. I don't got plans to pay them back anyways, right? It's crazy to that point, right? Now, let me take this back to gold and the timing. The only time people run to God's money ever in history is whenever there's something going on with what they usually trust, which is the dollar. And right now, there's something big going on with the trust and the dollar. People aren't trusting the dollar. People are getting out of the dollar. People are like, whoa, whoa, whoa. This house is being remodernized right now. I got to get out of here, man. It's uncomfortable up in here. So they take their wealth to gold, something that holds its wealth, right? Now, it holds its value. That's what I meant to say. Sorry. Now, I started this video off by saying, if you have no cryptocurrency, why? The reason why I started this off with that is because when I see everything that's going on, the money system is broken. Gold and silver, God's money, is at an all-time high. That's the safe haven. And you got to remember, there's not much you can do with gold. When people buy gold, the most you could do with it is just store and hold it. You can't really walk around with it and be like, oh, guys, here, I'm going to trade this with you. I'm going to trade this with you. I mean, you can do that, but do you see people do that? No. People like to use money and dollars for that. But right now, the dollar system is breaking. It's broken. There's cracks in it. 38 trillion in debt. You don't just repay that back. So now, the reason I started this off with, if you don't own any crypto, is because I see opportunity. I see opportunity. Almost every single generation at some point in their life experiences a moment in time where there is something out there that's undervalued, right? And I was just about to go big screen with you guys, but hold on. I want to show you something. I want to show you something really quick. Stay with me because I'm giving you guys tips here and I hope you guys are going to take this. So now let's look at this real quick. I just said almost everyone lives through something. Almost every generation lives through to see something undervalued. By undervalue, I mean like, man, I wish I would have bought that, right? Right here, we are looking at the Amazon stock. Where is it? I got to take myself out right here. Okay, this is the Amazon stock. Check out the Amazon stock, guys, real quick. Check out this Amazon stock, where it was trading from 05, 01, all the way up to 2014-ish. Anyone who bought right there, anyone who listened to the crazy guys like me, they are winning right now. They took $5 and turned it into $50. They took $10,000 and turned it into $500,000. Their money multiplied by a lot because they saw something early. They saw the internet was coming. They saw stores were being shut down, like Kmart. Our generation, we saw certain stores get shut down. Online e-commerce business was starting to take off. YouTube was starting to take off, where people were promoting things online to purchase online, right? And the people that saw this early, these prices early, they were like, hold on, man, something is happening. And then, and in the name of the game of money, when you buy, if you value lives, all right, how do I say this? Warren Buffett said it. You buy before the masses see the value. That's when you want to enter an investment. You don't want to enter it when it's all the way high already. So my whole point of this video is to show you guys that today, in today's world, you see where we are right here with Amazon, where this was right here. That's where I believe the XRPs of the world are. Look at this chart that just began trading right around the time Bitcoin's inception came. Boop. No regulation at all. No regulation yet. No regular. Oh, hold on a minute. They want to modernize the payment rail. Hold on. Something's going on here. Something. Similar to how something was going on around this time right here. See this little baby time right here where $12 went up to $17. All around this time right here. At some point, this right here was where this is right here. This is currently only trading at $1.86. XLM is currently only trading at something. Hold on, stay with me. XLM is currently only trading at 21 cents. Got to go do some research on what the XLM project is about. They're trying to modernize the payment system, and only few are seeing that the blockchain paired with AI is what's here to modernize their system. Pay attention. I'm going to keep trying to scream this out to people. I hope my people listen. I hope you guys hear me. If you guys like this type of content, I could keep going till my face is blue to share with you guys everything that I'm seeing. Sorry, guys, I'm trying to go back to a big screen. How do I get there with you guys? There I go. Everything that I'm seeing, guys, the opportunity is here. If you guys don't understand what's going on, I highly suggest you go into the link in my description. I made this especially for you guys. I don't have time. I would be here a whole nother hour trying to explain this to you. You can go and take a look at these quick 11 pages on what the future of money is all about. Crypto, tokenization, smart contracts, blockchain. It goes over all that stuff. Explains it to you like you're a 10th grader so that you can understand it all in the simplest terms possible. I'm going to keep screaming this all for the until 2030. I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to be right here letting you guys know, look at the opportunity. It's right here in our face. If you like this style of video, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button. Send this over to somebody who you think should also take a look at XRP, XLM, HBAR. Write these down. There's a few more that we can go over here that I believe are here to help them modernize their payments like they want to do. There's no reason why there's crypto regulatory framework being put in place at this point of our life while we're alive right now, right? And Bitcoin and these cryptos came out, just so happened to come out right around the time 08 collapse happened, right around the time money started breaking. I don't know if we see all these connections, but this is the most, I'm going to cut it short right here, guys. I just hope somebody's paying attention. I hope you appreciate this content. Hit the like and subscribe button. And for now, don't worry, I'll be back. But for now, I am out. Peace.